Hello, my name is Katie Daigle, and welcome to a day in the life of a fee technician in Acadia National Park.
Katie is a woman with long dark hair who is wearing a ranger's uniform and a brimmed hat. She removes the hat and gets behind the driver's wheel of a white park ranger pickup truck.
We have fee stations located across the park, and I'm based at the Schoodic Woods Campground in Winter Harbor, Maine.
A bicyclist rides past an Acadia National Park sign under a gray sky.
When I get to work in the morning, I head into the Campground Ranger building and get our park passes ready for the day.
Katie enters a large building made from logs. Inside, she works behind the visitor counter.
One of my favorite things about working in our campgrounds is that we are kind of a jack of all trades. As more team members arrive for their day, it allows us the opportunity to walk around Schoodic Woods Campgrounds and interact with some of our visitors, answering their questions about the park.
Katie and other rangers walk park trails and interact with guests.
In the Schoodic Woods Campground, you can only access a handful of our reservable campsites by foot. As visitors check out of their campsites, we hike up there and make sure that each of the sites are looking good for visitors to come in and camp this evening.
Katie picks up trash at a campground site. Later, she returns to the building.
When everything is all set, I head back to the fee booth where I check people into their campsites for the evening and get them all set with their park passes if they didn't purchase them in advance.
Katie interacts with a guest at the desk.
Sometimes when I'm done with my shift, I'll head out to Schoodic Point just to remind myself how lucky I am to be working in such a beautiful place.
Katie walks along a rocky shoreline.
Thanks for spending the day out here with me. I can't wait to work with you next summer.